See, it's been actually a very long journey for me. A lot of people think कि मेरे लिए बहुत आसान रहा होगा. It's easy, it's been simple, but it's not been like that. और बहुत कम लोग ये जानते हैं कि जब मेरे पापा पहली बार बॉम्बे आए थे, वो एक एक्टर बनना चाहते थे, पर उनके पास अब पैसे नहीं थे, रहने की कोई जगह नहीं थी. वो दादर के गुरुद्वारे में रहे थे और उनको तब लगा था कि बॉम्बे शहर बहुत मुश्किल है और यहाँ पे अगर आप अपनी ड्रीम्स लेकर आओ आप वो पूरा नहीं कर सकते हो. वो एक हफ्ते के अंदर वापस चले गए थे और उन्होंने ये कहा था कि मैं एक ऐसी कंपनी बनाऊंगा जो सब नए टैलेंट्स को चांस देगी. तो मैं बहुत अपने आप को एक तो लकी और आज फॉर्चुनेट समझती हूँ कि आई एम एबल टू लिव हिज ड्रीम फर्स्टली. और मेरे लिए उसके बाद भी जर्नी वॉजेंट ईजी. After his tragic loss, mom took me and my sister to Delhi, and I had to take up fashion. So, but somehow inside me, that thing to be an actor was always burning. And somehow I managed to convince mom. मैं बहुत रोती रहती थी मैं हमेशा बोलती रहती थी कि मेरे को ये करना है. बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने उनको मनाया. And then finally one day when she agreed, and then this script happened, this role came to me, and then उसके बाद अब किस्मत देखिए कोविड हो गया. So things were difficult, but I think God has always written something for you. What is best for you will come to you, and I really can't thank enough that I got this wonderful character to play.
Okay, all the very best for the
Thank
Kushal,
you.
towards your right. Kushal, towards your right. Yeah. How difficult was it for you to play this character in the film, and how did you prepare for it?
It was not easy initially. She is a very complex character, and as it is said, I really had to dig in my own darkness to come out and fill colors into her. मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा उसको समझने में और कि वो किस तरीके से बिहेव करती है. And it was not that simple. It was very challenging for me, but I think once you're able to fine tune and you're able to identify yourself, then you can play that with ease. So initial journey was difficult. So I would say right now I'm actually feeling numb. Seeing the teaser, I still can't believe that I'm sharing screen space with R. Madhavan and Darshan and Apar. It's a dream come true for me, and this has been one of the best experience of my life. Like music videos is a different thing, but when you are portraying a character, it's completely different, and this is like living my dream, and I can't thank enough. Yes, this is completely my dream role, something which I really wanted to do, and I'm very happy and very thankful to Cookie Sir for. See, I would say this privilege has definitely not been easy. It's not, otherwise you would have seen me long time back and not today. So it's been a whole process and a whole journey for me. In fact, मैंने काफ़ी auditions भी किए हैं पहले. With मुकेश छाबड़ा. And वो जब मेरे auditions भेजते थे वो मेरी identity छुपाते थे. तो और बाद में जब भी उन्होंने बताया कि if it used to go through, and the minute they used to get to know who I am, and then they used to back out, saying कि अरे tantrums होंगे, शायद नहीं, रहने देते, किसी और को लेते. So actually this privilege has not been that easy for me, and ये जो role है जो मेरे को मिला है इसमें भाई had just put me in front of the director, and मैं पूरी script पढ़ के गई थी. मेरे को पता था कि उसका character sketch क्या है. तो सर से मिलने से पहले I had done my entire homework, and it was on his call whether to take me or not to take me. So this is what I would like to say on this.
Hello, sir. Hello, mission is from Khushali. Is there a character you have taken inspiration from?
Yes, of course. For me, the inspiration for this has been Tabu ma'am, and I would even say Mary sir here, क्योंकि एक वो किस हिसाब से एक ठहराव और एक पॉइस के साथ और कैसे वो अपने फेस एक्सप्रेशंस और आईज के साथ परफॉर्म करते हैं इज ट्रूली इंस्पायरिंग फॉर मी. And that's been my inspiration for this character.